Hello soulmates, welcome back to class. This video showcases commonly used fabric that I've been able to find. Let's categorize them for better understanding. Let's start with African print wax, Ankara. These are commonly used fabrics. Some are 100% cotton while others are blended with polyester. The 100% cottons are more expensive. When you touch them, it feels like cotton and the other feels somewhat like nylon. This is Kampala or Adire. This print is made on various fabric including cotton, polyester and silk. The one you are seeing here is made of cotton. Moving on to the second category, which is brocade. This fantastic fabric is woven from wool. It has a distinct right and wrong side. Be cautious when working with this fabric because it tends to fray. When using brocade for garments, consider adding interface to stabilize it, as it also shrinks when being ironed. Now, let's explore fabrics made from different materials. This is a synthetic fiber fabric. This fabric frays easily. When you touch this fabric, it feels like nylon and it is lightweighted. This is a cotton fabric. It's similar to school uniform material. This fabric is made entirely from cotton. This is crepe fabric. It varies from thin and lightweighted to thick and heavy. Some crepe fabric have stretch depending on what you intend to use with them, so be careful when buying them. Black material I am holding is Duchess silk, which is thicker than the ordinary silk. It can pass for crepe, but it has a shiny face. This blue material is the ordinary silk. It is very lightweighted compared to Duchess. The fourth category is the lace. These ones are called Chantilly lace. It can be used for a garment and it can be used for adornment. These ones are called cord lace. It can be used for mostly ashwebi. And these are luxury lace. They are always heavily beaded and it has sequins. And the last category is interfacing. This is hairstay. This is the black and this is the white. Hairstay is used to provide fabric stability. This is tissue or soft stay. This type of interfacing feels similar to tissue paper. It tears easily and it's commonly used for lightweighted fabric. Hairstay feels more like clothes, while soft stay feels more like tissue. That's the difference. This is collar stay. It is a rigid material that cannot be torn unless it is intentionally cut. It is often used for collars but can also serve other purposes. This is walding. It is primarily used for bustiers and bust pad. It can also be used in quilting. Feel free to ask questions. See you in my next class.